my belt on my bike, you know. Well, this is the aftermath of what it actually looks like. Look, check this out, man. So it just looks like debris, just pellets. The belt gets obliterated. Look at that. Just pieces spill all out. This is the shrapnel. The built shrapnel that's left behind. Look at that. Look at this, man. And ultimately, I found one of the main causes for it. So after looking in here, I noticed, just after inspecting around, that it's full of mud in here. It's dirt and mud backed up all in here. So, man, at one point, this thing got full of water and mud, and I know exactly when. This was, once again, at Tower Trax. I had my bike submerged, like literally, you can see all of this. All of this. Everything literally all the way up to the snorkel. All of this was submerged. Just my snorkel was out. It was in a big old hole. And I mean, I was able to get out, but I couldn't go no further in, so I had to try to get out. Got out. But long story short, this is the cause. Can y'all guys see that? Look, that crack right there on the boot. This is the boot that connects the intake for the belt box, and that crack right there is where my leak is. That's how water is able to get in here. That water literally destroyed and disintegrated, well, moistened, broke down, and degraded my belt. And that's why this belt got put through the torture, trouble, and the reason why it's no longer here with me. Rest in peace. Amen. So this belt is gonna get upgraded. Well, not upgraded. It was already upgraded, but it's the same kind of belt I'm putting back on there. Gates belt, and we're gonna do this thing all over again. But for the meantime, I'm gonna have to drain this out because apparently at some point I got a little bit of something in there. They don't look that bad though. This one's damn near empty. This is about maybe half full. Maybe a little oil in there. I don't know. Maybe from I rolled the bike. But drain that out, get that boot in, and then I'll be putting in the clutch kit. So I've been having this thing for a minute, and let me get all this down. This Didnt clutch kit, and the reason I didn't put it on because I wanted to do it the right way. People using like straps and putting it on a trailer and different straps, strapping it to the floorboard in order to keep this clutch still, because this clutch rotates. Well, this clutch rotates, and if you try to unscrew it, it's gonna keep twisting and turning. So you have to buy this special tool right here, part number, and you get this tool, and this tool goes right. Let me tuck this back behind here for demonstration purposes. Shake it, mate. All right, so put this tool on here just like that. Screw it in. Locks it all in. Now this clutch can't rotate. Fixed, solid. Take this insert, this middle screw out. There's a screw inside this bolt. Then you take this bolt out. This whole clutch comes off. I put some lines. You know, we're gonna do this another video. What might add it onto this video, so I can separate it and put it back together. But yeah, all this gonna probably end up being in the same video. I'm not sure yet. Might break it up because it's kind of going longer than I thought. And change the weights out with the pieces, which is, you know, 2 new springs, and those are the counterweights you put on the inside of there. Well, y'all see the video when I do that. But in the meantime, gotta clean all this stuff up, make it nice and clean in there again, and that way when we go back together, we'll have a nice, clean, sealed belt box. And my gasket, of course, I had to check the gasket out to see if my gasket might have been bad. My gasket looks pretty good. I'm just gonna clean it off, Yeah, don't like any mud got past the gasket. But you can definitely see all the moisture that got inside there through that crack that's on that shroud. So next time we come back, we're gonna be on there changing out that clutch kit, and woo! I need some RPMs hitting these wheels, man. Y'all see these 33s right here? Goddamn 50 pounds of wheel. It's a lot more rotational weight you're carrying, so that clutch kit gonna do wonders. And of course, I got the biggest one I can find because I need that mug to engage at a high RPM, and we're gonna do the damn thing. So again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and you're gonna see real soon the clutch kit upgrade we got coming for y'all. Thank you. Peace. Click that button. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.